Welcome back to DermInside. Today, I'm showing you what I call the Swiss Army knife for medical staff, the Ampoule breaker. It has 6 holes of different sizes, a sandstone wheel, and a small aluminium bottle opener. Let's see how it makes 4 tasks in our daily work much easier. First, breaking glass ampoules. Doing this by hand can be tricky and risky. It puts strains on your finger, and there is always a chance of getting small shards of glass or contaminating the medication. With the ampoule breaker, you score the neck of the ampoule using the sandstone wheel. Sorry for the sharp noise, by the way. Then, place the ampoule head into the appropriately sized hole and snap it open. It's a controlled, clean, and safe process that makes this routine task much easier. Second, removing a needle is made safer and easier. The ampoule breaker has a small notch specifically designed to hold the needle while you twist it off. So, you don't have to touch it directly with your fingers. This reduces the risk of accidental injuries and keeps your hands safe at all times. Third, opening glass vials, such as anesthetic ones. The aluminium bottle opener lets you lift the cap safely without touching the area where the needle will go. This prevents contaminating the injection site. And finally, recapping a needle safely. Instead of using your fingers, you can use one of the holes to hold the cap in place and gently push the needle back in. This prevents accident and keeps you safe. In conclusion, it's a small tool, but a big help in daily practice. Thanks for watching.